Well, hi guys, I'm out here in my truck. Last night we got hit with a really bad upslope event snowstorm. As you can see, I'm going to pan the camera around, let you take a look. I'm inside my vehicle, so I'll try to be careful here. You can see it, 6 to 8 inches. I don't think we got more than that. We were lucky. They were predicting almost up to 2 feet in certain areas, and I know they did get 2 feet in certain areas, but not here. I still got a lot of snow on my dang vehicle here. Now I got her in 4-wheel drive. I'm gonna go take a pan around and see what she looks like around here. Yeah, it's gonna be a little bumpy. I'm gonna have to put this thing in a better spot, maybe right there. Alright, let's see what she does. Now it's kicking. Knock down some of this damn snow. Yeah, they plowed, but not very damn well. Oh well. Now we get to see the slushy slew. Alright, let's see what this bad boy can do. I bought this truck last year and I have never had it 4-wheel drive until today. So far she seems to be holding her own. Try to knock down some of this damn slush crap. God, it's everywhere. Yep, she's holding her own. Oh God, mud puddle. Ah. Let me pick it up here and take a better look at what the street looks like. See, there's pretty much slush everywhere you look. And I'm just going to take my little 4x and try to knock her down a little. Whoa, boy, that was a pretty good size one. Oh, damn. I'm telling you what. Yeah, it's nothing like 2006, but, well, let's just say... shovel in the back of my truck, so in case somebody needs a little help getting out. So far it looks like we're fine. Yeah, this street doesn't look too bad. This one might be really bad. I'm gonna try to go down it. Over here by my drugstore. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, she's doing her job. This is pretty slick right here. Got a nice 3 or 4 inch layer of ice. Wow. I'm telling you what. Pretty damn lucky. Lucky it could have been a lot worse. Chambers Road looks okay. I'm going to try to get ahead of this guy. Down our street, looks like when the police were, it was pretty darn bad. Yeah, I thought this 4-wheel drive system was not working on this vehicle. I was wrong. It is. It is. I could definitely tell it now. Hang on. Try to avoid everybody here. Oh man. Not too bad. It's really slushy, really wet, really heavy stuff. That's the kind we like around here, because that way it doesn't stick around that long. Alright. Wow. Yeah, as you can tell, we got hit pretty good. But this beast ain't doing too bad at all. I'm rather impressed. Okay, let's see how we look here. hardly anybody out, so they all pretty much took the advice. Let's see if we can knock down some of this goddamn crap. Jesus. Try to at least make it a little easier to get around. Yeah, this over here is where I was really surprised at. Yep, she's doing her job. Good. Just trying to give the street a little bit of a chance. Put the camera down for a second. Yeah, right over here by my place. Boy, it's bad. There's a chunk right here. I'm just going to blast this stuff into next year. Now I'll go back in my apartment complex. And this right here I'm going to nail really well. There we go. Alright. Well, got quite a bit. Rather impressed. Alright guys, well, I'm going to go ahead and get ready to load this video onto YouTube. Take care. Talk to you again soon.